Tayo nagulat nang sinabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry na ang July 2016 Arbitral Award ay, I quote, a piece of paper, end quote. Kung inyong matatandaan, may binanggit si Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte noong May 5, 2021. Now, basahin po natin ang transcript, no? Tapos sabi nila, itong papel niya sa kaso nanalo tayo, ipursu mo, pinursu ko, walang nangyari. Sabi, actually, sa usapang bugoy, sabi ko sa iyo, ibigay mo sa akin, sabihan ko siya, papel lang yan. Now, pero kung inyong matatandaan, pinagdiinan ng Pangulo sa 75th General Session ng United Nations General Assembly noong September 2020 na patuloy na ina-affirm ng Pilipinas ang commitment sa South China Sea in accordance with UNCLOS and the 2016 Arbitral Award. The President said, and I quote, "The award is now part of international law, beyond compromise and beyond the reach of passing governments to dilute, diminish, or abandon. We firmly reject attempts to undermine it." So bilang sagot sa sinabi ng spokesperson ng Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs, ang tingin po natin, ang award ay kabahagi na ng international law. Yan po ay sang-ayon sa Article 38 ng ICJ statute, ay subsidiary means of finding out the applicable norm of customary international law, at yan po ay under Article 38 of the ICJ statute, writings of the most qualified publicists on the UN Convention on the Law of the
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.